Hi there, so I've got this camera lens protector kit from CloudValley. You can see that there. Now the reason being is that I've got my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and this case, and the cutout for the camera is so precise that I can't get the normal one-piece camera lens protector on there with the case. It just won't work at all. And then this one came up, which the covers are actually individual, so I'm hoping this is going to work. Now unfortunately this didn't come with any instructions, which is not much help. So we've got this little one piece, you can see this here with the little camera bits on it, on a kind of one piece plastic strip. We've got the usual wet wipe, and we have dust absorber, sticker to get the dust off the lenses, tiny little drying cloth. It's quite dark in here, or is it me actually? Not sure, I'm not sure, it's quite dark. So we're going to give this a go. On here there is a little, it says peel off here, so we'll just see what that looks like when I peel it off. What happens? I'm thinking maybe you peel that off and sort of position that on top and maybe you do something else. We'll have to see. So I'm taking it out of the case, which is over there. So we'll get the wet wipe out, we'll give it a clean. I normally wear some gloves, they're sort of thin, black, blue gloves. Stop getting bits on it, but we'll just go with it. I've only got one of these, so I've got to get it right. So we'll give the lenses a clean. Thankfully the wet wipe is wet. Just hold the camera still. Right, I'm going to put that back over there. Little cleaning cloth. Also, don't want to touch these lenses with my fingers again. Also, we'll start back to getting that wet wipe and giving it another clean. More fiddly than doing a screen protector. Here's the surface area. I was doing a screen protector the other day, and the cloth they supplied, the drying cloth, when you're drying it, all the bits are coming off the cloth, which is a bit useless. Got a bit annoyed about that one. Right, that looks to be pretty dry. A little speck on there, and we're just going to move that off. Okay, let's get this cloth, the dust sticker. Seems a bit of a ginormous dust sticker for the size of the camera lenses. Let's pop that off over there, and we'll just try no dust on them. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. That's good. I'll keep my hands on. I'm just going to keep this over here just in case I need it. Now this is the tricky bit. I'm assuming what I think I've got to do here is peel the backing off, and then it's got dust on this as well. So I'm going to just let's try and remove any dust off this as well, I think, if I can. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just peel this backing off. Okay, so I've got what looks like to be a thing. I'm just going to assume I'm putting this over the top of these lenses. It's difficult to line it up. Okay, that's gone on. Okay, I've got it on there. Not quite sure what I'm supposed to do next. It's on there. Okay, there's like a dip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is push down on this. I wonder if these pop out or something from the plastic. I can see like the glue stuff, you know, when you put a screen protector on, you get that sort of runny glue-like substance underneath. I've got that sort of under the lenses. I'm assuming it's on correctly. It doesn't seem like doesn't look it's settled, like bubbles under the... I don't know how you know if it's on... I say it can only go on one way, can't it? So right, I don't know, am I supposed to lift this? I don't know, sort of a bit wary as to what to do. There's no flipping instructions where I'm supposed to sort of lift this up. I don't know, I've got to sort of do someone else really helping with maybe holding this down if I don't want to lift up. Let's try and lift up that. Well, something happened there, but I'm not. I don't know, it doesn't seem to be. Let me try it from this back. I'm not really sure what's happening, to be honest. I've pushed down on these where the lenses are. I was sort of thinking maybe they pop out from this. I think it's still see all this. Can, yeah, try and put it over here a bit more. I was sort of thinking they might sort of pop out, but I don't know. I'll try and bring the light over a bit more, you know, a bit better. Okay, let's turn this round. Maybe see it better. So I've got it on, which I think I'm supposed to do, but I'm sort of expecting these to somehow pop out of this plastic thing they've got. If I have my 3 fingers there, let's say, they don't seem to want to pop out of anything. I think sort of coming away from this. Is there something I'm supposed to pull off? Ah, look, there's a plastic piece there, which I've now pulled off. Right, okay, let's push down on these again then. Perhaps now if I lift it off, we'll get something. Let's see if we... Okay. Well, I don't think they've all stuck on. I don't know if these are... Something on there supposed to come off. It's just not like these ones have. There's a whole film that's. No, there's a separate bit of film here. Look, that's. I can see this. This film's got a hole in it, so I don't know whether. Is there a separate bit of film on these ones that's got to come off? There's a problem not putting instructions in there. I just wonder whether there's. It looks like there's another bit. Oh, the film, there's another bit of film on top of these lenses. Oh, right, okay. This is a nightmare, this is. Right. I'm not even sure if there's anything. I honestly don't know if these have got something on or not. I mean, the camera ones seem to have gone on. Oh, okay, plastic. I mean, yeah, it'd be really useful if they supplied instructions. I think I've done it okay. And these look like they're on. I mean, obviously the proof's going to be in, has it affected the camera image in any way? Doesn't look to be anything under them. Just want to make sure it's all clean all around the phone. Doesn't seem to be any residue. Let's see if you can. I mean, it looks to be all on. What I can see. My phone looks to be clean, so let's just get that quick wipe down, make sure it's all clean. So, okay, we think they're on. I'll just get that wipe down. These are definitely on okay. I suppose the acid test is, will they actually fit on my phone case? Because if they don't do that, it's all a bit irrelevant because I've got to have to take them off anyway. And then we'll have to see whether they actually affect the camera. I'm not quite sure what happened there. My camera turned off on my phone. For some strange reason. Right, okay, so let's photograph the packet. Ah, my phone's turned off, of course. Okay, so what basically we've got to with this, I'll wait for that to turn on. So you've got to obviously clean the camera lenses with this, dry them with that, get rid of the dust with this, peel off this backing thing from this piece here, line up that with your camera lenses and drop it on, push it all down so it looks like it's actually all in situ, and then you've got to peel off this backing piece. You just about see, once you're happy with it's all on the lenses properly, peel off this backing piece, making sure you also get that other piece which I now can't find, the bit that goes in there, this hole. You also get that piece off, because obviously when I lifted it up I had problems with those other two small ones. Disappeared, not coming up. But if it fits on this particular case, because of how tight these cutouts are, I think it's going to pretty much fit on any case, to be honest. Right, let's just put my pin in over here. Wait for the phone to restart. Okay, CloudValley camera protector. There is an installation video, which put some instructions in. It's pretty straightforward and useful. I suppose it's saving on paper. Should maybe print some instructions on this packaging, or even print them inside the box. Just peel the box apart. Would have been handy. Okay, camera please. The camera's up and running. Right, let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at that. Well, I can't see anything wrong with the image. Let's go in for a bit of a close-up. Just turn off my countdown, it's going to be quicker. Do a 10x zoom. Can't really do that because I'm wobbling so much. So we get something really close up on this. A bit too close. So that's zooming in at 10x. Well, it looks to be okay. I'll just have to see now how I get on with it. So if I really want to do product photography and stuff where I do notice a difference. But apart from the no instructions and faffing around with those, peeling off those bits and stuff, it looks like it's worked. If I have any problems, I'll update the review later on. Hope this helps and thanks for watching. Bye.